Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair channel. Today I'm working on 2007 Nissan Murano 3.5 6-cylinder automatic front-wheel drive, and I will bring you into replacing the rear shocks. Okay, this procedure is pretty straightforward, nothing crazy about it. What you guys gonna need a 17mm bolt, socket, a 14mm socket, a ratchet extension if you need it, or air tools if you have them. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna try to do it quickly as I can, so don't keep you very much. Now make sure when you do this, you're gonna lift the vehicle, install the jack extension, so jack tower, that way you are safe, and safety first. All right, so let's begin with this. $17. Okay, now to do this, we are going to put another floor jack here on the bottom of the control arm, so we just can hold the weight and this doesn't sag or doesn't hang lower. Enough. Now you see, we can take this off. Next, we're gonna use a 14mm. I have 14 swivel here. Now when you use this, make sure you press up, so that way this doesn't gonna come and wobble over and hit you in the face. Now, the reason, as you can see, is a lot of oil here, and the oil comes from the inside. The seal on the shaft is bad. That's why this started leaking. So this is not as bad as the other side. Shock. This one, see, all the way, so definitely, and doesn't have as much of oil like this one, but they're bad, obviously. Okay, next we will need to change this base. Is going to be 17mm, so we're going to use the same swivel here. I have a 17 swivel, so you're going to let this side up against the ground. You can hold it. There you go. Now, in case this is the first time that you do this, make sure you take your time and look at it. Yes, this goes up like this. This goes like this. You can put it in that sequence. This goes like this. This goes here, and obviously this goes like that. So the kit, or the new shock, comes with obviously this. We're going to remove those two, and that's going to go right here. Obviously this, like that. Now we're going to remove this area here. See how slow? Hard time to. Guys, if you haven't done it already, please take a second, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can help my channel to grow. Don't forget this. Okay. As soon as it's starting to get distracted, this happens. Again, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment. There's one guy. Goes there. This one comes with a new nut. I use it. Done. Okay, so like I was saying, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, share the video. If you find any value in this, I will highly appreciate it. Keep me motivated from continue making these videos. So let's put this one back. I want to make sure you guys have a good angle. Okay, so first I'm going to put this side down so I can just get the bolt right through it. Make sure it started it. Goes nice and easy by hand. Okay, you can wiggle it. Next, we are going to push down here. It's going to take obviously a little while. There it is. Sorry about that. Now we're going to let the shock do the rest. Just guide it on the holes and you just go right there. Okay, this one, that's how I go. Alright, so I'm going to place the camera down. I'm gonna get this one start. I'm gonna we'll grab those torque specs and I will post them in the description below. And I can put it on the video. So that is how you replace those shocks, what to look for, and hope this video help you to replace it, save some money, and get it done right. The other symptom here for this in the back, when you go over bumps, the back of the car is going to feel like it's going up and down, so it's pretty annoying. So again, like the video, comment.